We've talked about two different important ways to color so far. We've talked about coloring in the lines and how you can do that the very best. We've talked about making sure your colors make sense and then doing that the very best. And today we're going to talk about making sure there are no white spaces. So if we are coloring something, we want to make sure that it is all filled in. If you were going to color a picture of yourself, you wouldn't have big white streaks on your face. Your whole face is colored in because that's part of making it look real. If you were going to color the sky, you wouldn't color 3 big blue lines and then be done. You want to make sure that you're coloring all the white spaces. So let's try it out. So the first one we're going to color is this balloon right here. And I'm going to color it, and you think in your brain if you think I'm doing a good job making sure there's no white spaces. How's that look? No, there's lots of white spaces. So that one, I would do a sad face. What if I colored like this? Well, that's better, but there's still a lot of white spaces everywhere. What if I colored like this? And remember, you're practicing all the skills you have. You want to color in the lines. You want to make sure your colors make sense. And now we're making sure there's no white spaces. Look at that one. Look at the difference between those 3 balloons. Which one do you think looks like it took the most? This one looks like I took the most time and I was being the most careful when I was drawing it. So friends, today when you're coloring, I want you to start to think about that too. You're thinking about making sure that you're coloring in the lines. You're making sure your colors make sense. And today you're focusing on not leaving any white spaces.